UPM Library electronic books eBooks. E-book is a book composed in or converted to digital format for display on a computer screen or handheld device. List of e-books available. 1. Amsterdam University Press. Subject: Social Sciences, Sociology and Anthropology, Political Science, Economics, Recreational and Performing Arts, Medical Sciences, Medicine, Law, German and Related Literatures, Psychology, General History of Europe and History. Coverage, 1996 to 2010. 2. En Mol. Subject: Computer Science and Knowledge and Systems. Coverage, 2003 to 2009. 3. CAB eBooks Complete Frontlist and Archive Collection. Subject: Agriculture and the Applied Life Sciences. Coverage, 2000 to 2010. 4. Columbia University Press. Subject: Social Sciences, Sociology and Anthropology, Economics, Political Science, English and Old English Literatures, General History, Life Sciences, Law, Psychology, Medical Sciences, Medicine and Public Administration. Coverage, 1974 to 2008. 5. Emerald eBooks. Subject: Accounting, Finance and Economics, Business, Management and Strategy, Education, Engineering, Health and Social Care, HR, Learning and Organization Studies, Information and Knowledge Management, Library Studies, Marketing, Operations, Logistics and Quality, Property Management and Built Environment, Public Policy and Environmental Management, Sociology, Tourism and Hospitality and Transport. Coverage, 1994 to 2014, 2018. 6. Gale Virtual Reference Library. Subject: Business, Education, Environment, General Reference, History, Information and Publishing, Law, Library Science, Literature, Medicine, Nation and World, Science, Social Science and Technology. Coverage, 1999 to 2010. 7. Karger eBooks. Subject: Covering all disciplines of human medicine. Coverage, 2007 to 2010. 8. Manson Publishing. Subject: Multidisciplinary. Coverage, 2011 to 2014. 9. Net Library eBooks. Subject: Multidisciplinary. Coverage: Various. 10. Royal Institute of British Architects (RIBA). Subject: Architecture, Engineering, Building, Law, Public Administration, Social Science, Sociology and Anthropology. Coverage, 2009 to 2014. 11. RSC eBooks. Subject: Chemistry. Coverage, 1968 to 2014. 12. Science Direct eBooks. Subject: Book Series, 1995 to 2015. Veterinary Collection, 1995 to 2006. Coverage, 1995 to 2015. 13. SciTech Publishing. Subject: Commerce, Communications, Transport, Computer Science, Knowledge and System, Engineering and Applied Operations, Life Sciences, Physics and Public Administration. Coverage, 1994 to 2009. 14. Society for Industrial and Applied Mathematics (SIAM). Subject: Mathematics, Engineering and Applied Operations. Coverage, 1971 to 2011. 15. Springer eBooks. Subject: Medicine and Public Health, Engineering, Computer Science, Business and Management and Social Sciences. Coverage, 2005 to 2014. 16. Wiley eBooks. Subject: Accounting, Agriculture, Anthropology, Aquaculture, Fisheries and Fish Science, Archaeology, Architecture and Planning, Art, Biomedical Engineering, Business and Management, Chemical and Biochemical Engineering. Coverage: Various. 17. World Scientific. Subject: Business and Management, Chemistry, Computer Science, Economic and Finance, Education, Engineering, Acoustic, Environmental Science, Life Sciences, Biology, Materials Science, Mathematics, Medicine, Nanotechnology and Nanoscience and Social Sciences. How to access e-book. First, visit library website at www.lib.upm.edu.my. Then, scroll down and click Easy Access. Next, log in using UPM ID. Next, filter e-books in the Category section. Lastly, click on the link of the listed resource. Let's take a look at tutorial, how to search and download e-book on Net Library eBooks. Thank you. For more information visit library website at www.lib.upm.edu.my.